Eric Burgess here. If 130 liters of an acid solution is 65% acid, how much pure acid is there in the mixture? So I like to start these kinds of questions with easy ones that you can just kind of intuitively know the answer. So let's say, for example, that instead of 130, we had 100 and 50%, or half of the solution was acid. How much of it was pure acid? Well, we would immediately know, well, the answer would be half of this would have to be pure acid. So it would be 50 liters. And so we would say, well, that has to be 50 liters. Well, what did we do? Well, we multiplied this amount by this amount, right? Because this is the same thing as 1/2 or 0.5. And 0.5 times 100 liters is 50 liters. And this is the pure acid. So this immediately tells us that what we can do with these kinds of questions is we can just take the amount in liters, I'm going to just put that as an A, and multiply it by the percentage, I'll put that as P, and this will give us the amount of that thing, So what we're going to do is we're simply going to take our amount, 130, multiply it by 0.65 since that's the percentage, and this is going to be equal to whatever our answer is. So we're going to do 130 times 0.65. This gives us 84.5, and this is liters. So we would say, well, there's 84.5 liters of pure acid. And that is how you would do a question like this. So if you ever come across a question you can't quite remember the formula or the process, you can go ahead and do that little procedure where you do just a really easy version of the problem, and that can oftentimes give you insight so that you can just do the problem that you've been given. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Subscribe, and if you're a Citrus College student, feel free to stop by online tutoring, and we'll catch you in the next problem.